Alright, I'm going to do something a little bit different. It's just kind of junk laying around. And I still got yet another tower over there that's much more capable of what all this crap can do. But what we're going to do, I'm not sure if maybe I'll just make this into a music server. Holy damn Microsoft. I've got this tower here. You know, I originally bought this case. I don't remember what it was, but it's got a Windows tag on it. And I thought that the code would be good. Well, I didn't realize it was in the time period where the tag is only good for... It was an OEM tag, is what it is. It's not somebody... I thought somebody bought it. I didn't realize this actually was a custom looking PC that actually was production, if that makes sense. So CyberPower makes these, or did make these, that look like this. They look like, you know, their idea is to be something custom, but they were, you know, they had an OEM licensing tag on the side. So I bought it for that reason, just to get a legit copy of Windows 10 Home. But anyway, so we got a couple of different video cards. We don't necessarily need them. But the motherboard that we're going to use doesn't have DVI or HDMI. So with that one there, I bought that one at Fry's Electronics a long time ago. This one here we're definitely not going to use. It gets really warm. It's 2 gigabytes. I mean, like, really warm. So they look very similar. We've got like a couple more small hard drives. This one has a Ubuntu Studio in it, so I should be able to pop it in. It should probably just run. So this this motherboard here doesn't work. The pins are bent on the thing. It's basically the same thing that's in here. I have another one of these cases. I put this one in here to mess around with it. Anyway, it doesn't work. I haven't been able to get it to work at all. And the pins actually look pretty good. So, in fact, we can go have a look. Ow, that thing smacked me. I've spent a lot of time trying to straighten the pins on this. Let me remove it carefully. So they don't really look bad. There's a couple spots, maybe here in the corner. It's possible that the chip is actually damaged because it was run for so long. But I think that it might just be just these few on the end here. But I'm going to go ahead and just kind of give up on this one because I don't need two of them. So originally I bought this computer at a ham fest from a guy that I know, and he told me to take both of them for $5. So I did. So they both had this board, a case, rack mount case like that from the radio station with an EVA or whatever EV power supply, and they were good to go. So this power supply here came from Goodwill, and it makes noise in the radio, so I really shouldn't be using it, but it's in here for now. So we're going to put that motherboard in here, which is an AMD. It's going to be a lot smaller. It's not a full ATX. It's like a mini ATX. Maybe it's micro, I don't know. We've got Corsair RAM in it. So we'll pull this out of here. And this is just going to be my garbage left over that I have. And it's either an Acer or eMachine. It doesn't have a label on it, but it was probably an Acer board made for eMachines. And so it has VGA, and that's it. And we got 4 SATAs on it. And then you still have those. So it's AM2. I don't know what processor it is, but I figure you put it in here and remove this board that doesn't work. Put this one in here. This does work, and do something with it. I'd actually like to have a smaller case for this, like as small as possible, just very minimal. There's only the 2 spots right here, so and you have 2 SATAs, so it's you want to make it something small. So that's why I was thinking a music server might be good for that. So I even happen to have the piece that goes over here for this one. So we're gonna get this stuck in there, and boy, it's amazing how small this damn thing is. It's really small. Like I said, this is really not the case that I want to be using for this. I mean, it's way too big for it. Alright, so I'm going to get everything connected. Most of it, anyway. So this one's such a pain in the ass. It doesn't use the regular 4-pin. And so, yeah, you're stuck like having to figure out, hey, which one fits. Because they're all different. Normally these would be combined together. And in the case of this thing, nope. So normally this would be one connector. So here's another thing, the connector's different, so thankfully these are the kind that are removable. So we separate this power connector here. Okay, so it just slides off, and then put it in over here. There is no other fan controller. That's interesting shit there. We're gonna need those. These aren't going to do me any good. Oh, these were the other ones. This would be for like video cards. Special video cards. So, okay. Kind of cool. Try you. Does that fit this particular drive? Yeah, look at that. If it's all right, we have that there. Okay. Okay. All right, so we don't have enough room for anything. This might possibly just fucking work right out the gate. We just need another SATA. So
man, I am really fucking tired of hearing that guy's dog. Like, I just try and mind my own business. I really don't want to listen to his dog. Had like two of them sitting over here. Oh yeah. These two. I really do feel like maybe I got crawled upon by some ants out there. And I'm gonna try and get a bunch of stuff done. Is this VGA? Because if it is, then we're good to go. I think it is. Yeah, it is. It's VGA. That's what I want to do. So we can keep it really simple. Oh my god. Did they get me? Because, like, why am I fucking itching? Okay, we got Debian Linux. guess the car switch will be right here. I don't know if that's on or not. that definitely is it. Okay. There's no HDMI port. EA061087L.
Оружие, готовить к